Time isn't precious at all because it is an illusion. What you perceive as precious is not time, but the one point that is out of time, the now. That is precious indeed. The more you are focused on time past and the future, the more you miss the now, the most precious thing there is. Eckhart Tolle. Know that in this way there are myriads of forms and hundreds of grasses throughout the entire earth, and yet each grass and each form itself is the entire earth. The study of this is the beginning of practice. When you are at this place, there is just one grass, there is just one form. There is understanding of form and no understanding of form. There is understanding of grass and no understanding of grass. Since there is nothing but just this moment, the time being is all the time there is. Grass being, form being, and are both time. Each moment is all being, is the entire world. Reflect now whether any being or any world is left out of the present moment. Dogen. Life can be found only in the present moment. The past is gone. The future is not yet here. And if we do not go back to ourselves in the present moment, we can't be in touch with life. Non-Duality, Chapter 10. You are total unicity beyond duality, that you are. You are so one with yourself that you cannot perceive yourself. You can only imagine that you are other than that. It is like a knife that can cut so many vegetables but cannot cut itself because it is one with itself, or the scale which can weigh so many objects but cannot weigh itself. It is the same with the one supreme self, the soul reality. Being ever one with itself, it cannot perceive that which it is. It can only perceive what it is not. Muji. Though others may talk of the way of the Buddhas as something to be reached by various pious practices and by sutra studies, you must have nothing to do with such ideas. A perception, sudden as blinking, that subject and object are one, will lead to a deeply mysterious, wordless understanding, and by this understanding you awake to the truth of Zen, Huang Po. When your mind doesn't stir inside, the world doesn't arise outside. When the world and the mind are both transparent, this is true vision.